Most home service business owners looking for a HouseCall Pro alternative make one major mistake. They start comparing software features before figuring out why they want to leave HouseCall Pro in the first place. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The best HouseCall Pro alternative in 2026 depends entirely on what's missing from your current workflow. Do you need simpler operations? Better customer retention? More marketing automation? Or lower complexity? The answer will determine which platform is actually best for your business. In this video, you'll learn the top HouseCall Pro alternatives, what makes each one different, and how to choose the right solution based on your specific needs. Let's get straight into it. HouseCall Pro has become popular because it combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer communication, online booking and payment collection into one platform. For many businesses, that all-in-one approach works well. But here's the problem. As businesses grow, some owners realize they don't need everything HouseCall Pro offers. Others discover they need stronger capabilities in specific areas. That's where alternatives become interesting. One of the strongest alternatives is Jobber. Jobber focuses heavily on operational efficiency and ease of use. Many business owners appreciate its clean interface and straightforward workflow. For example, imagine John owns a landscaping company with several crews. His main priority is scheduling jobs, managing employees, sending estimates, and collecting payments efficiently. For that type of operation, Jobber often feels simple, organized, and easy to manage. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not every business struggles with operations. Some businesses struggle more with customer retention and repeat revenue. That's where Quotaic stands out. Quotaic places significant emphasis on customer engagement, review generation, automated follow-ups, and text message marketing. Imagine Alex owns a pressure washing business. He completes a job today, but 6 months later, the customer is ready for service again. Instead of relying on memory or spreadsheets, automated follow-up systems can help reconnect with that customer. That creates opportunities for repeat business without constantly spending more on advertising. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide which alternative is right for you. But first, let's address the biggest mistake business owners make. This is where most people fail. They compare software based on feature counts rather than identifying business bottlenecks. If scheduling, dispatching, and operational organization are your biggest challenges, Jobber may be one of the strongest alternatives available. If customer retention, follow-up communication, and review generation are limiting growth, a marketing-focused platform may provide greater value. The goal isn't replacing HouseCall Pro. The goal is solving the problem that HouseCall Pro isn't solving for your business. So what's the best HouseCall Pro alternative in 2026? For operational simplicity and workflow management, Jobber remains a leading option. For businesses focused on customer retention and growth automation, Quotaic deserves serious consideration. The right answer depends on your business goals, team structure, and biggest growth obstacle. Now you have a practical framework for making that decision confidently. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business content, and let me know in the comments which HouseCall Pro alternative you're considering and why.